In the heart of the burning dunes, life prepares its greatest ascent. The date seed is a fortress of concentrated energy. The first date sprout emerges, appearing as a stiff, green, vertical spike piercing the desert surface. Survival begins with a spear. The young date palm is built to defy the heat from the very first breath of air. The base of the date leaves thickens, forming the start of the rugged, diamond-patterned date palm trunk. Natural armor. The date palm protects the growing heart with a crown of biological spears, deterring all who seek the precious moisture within. The chamber of life. Within this protective woody sheath, thousands of ivory date flowers are waiting for the desert wind. The sacred union. Hand pollination ensures that every strand of the date cluster will become a heavy harvest of desert gold.
The green date berries enter the Kimri stage, growing rapidly in size and hardness.
The sugar pump. The date palm is a biological machine, lifting water from the deep earth to fill the hanging date berries.
Solar alchemy. The date palm transforms the most intense heat into the sweetest complex carbohydrates known to nature.
The Khalal phase. Color arrives like a sunset. These yellow and red globes are full of crunchy, tannic energy.
The date berries enter the Rutab stage, becoming soft, honey-like, and semi-transparent.
The honey stage. In the Rutab phase, the dot becomes a vessel of liquid sugar, melting in the desert heat.
The date skin becomes a deep, dark brown with a beautiful, matte finish.
The final maturity. The Tamr stage is the ultimate storage form, pure, dried energy that can survive for years. From a hard seed to the gold of the dunes, the genesis of the date is complete.
The fennec fox, with its oversized ears, is perfectly adapted to the desert heat, often seeking refuge in the shade of an oasis.
Experience the soul of the desert, pure, organized, and ancient. This is Genesis Motion. Flexibility and strength. The date palm bows to the storm but never breaks, protecting the precious gold within.
The date palm fronds are shown to be highly efficient at reflecting excess heat.
Controlled evaporation. Every pore on the date skin is engineered to concentrate the nectar within.
The AI visualization clearly shows the powerful, high-energy benefits of dates, providing sustained fuel for these desert travelers.
Pure, resilient, eternal. Genesis Motion brings you the crown of the dunes.
The Genesis Motion Estate is shown to be a carbon-sequestering sanctuary in the desert.